Ever wondered if your daily habits could be the culprit behind that nagging back pain? Let's delve into this. Your job could be a leading cause of chronic back pain. It's not just about the physical strain, but also the stress and the long hours of remaining in one position. Lack of rest further compounds the problem. Firstly, consider the disruption of circadian rhythms. Researchers have found a direct correlation between the stability of our day-night cycles and the condition of the cells in the intervertebral discs. Disruptions to our circadian rhythms due to factors like age, chronic insomnia, or night shifts can lead to these cells malfunctioning, causing chronic inflammation and increasing susceptibility to lower back pain and degeneration of the intervertebral discs. You might be thinking that standing all day as opposed to sitting might be the solution, but standing for long periods can also be detrimental to your neck, spine, and shoulders. Incorrect posture while standing can lead to severe curvatures and chronic pain. Maintaining a good posture, whether you're standing, sitting, or lying down, is crucial in supporting the spinal cord and minimizing stress on the muscles and ligaments. Now let's talk about rest. It's easy to dismiss a slight discomfort in your back, but ignoring these early warning signs can lead to more serious problems. Resting as soon as you feel discomfort, even if it's minor, can significantly reduce the strain on your muscles. What about mental work? Yes, that too can lead to backaches. Spending long hours engrossed in mentally taxing work can cause stress, which can manifest as back pain. Taking breaks, engaging in physical activity, or simply watching a movie can help divert your mind and reduce the chances of back pain. Finally, our beloved mobile phones. A recent study revealed that reading a simple text message could add up to 45 pounds of pressure on the spinal cord. With average cell phone usage ranging from 2 to 4 hours a day, our necks bend for 700 to 1,400 hours a year, leading to loss of the natural curve of the cervical spine and increased load on this part of the back. To sum it up, maintaining a stable day-night cycle, ensuring good posture, taking sufficient rest, managing stress, and reducing mobile phone usage can all contribute to a healthier spine and less back pain. Remember, it's the small changes in our daily habits that can make a big difference in our health, so take care of your back because it's got your back.